an interesting poem in English and the poem name is The Swing. Swing का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? झूला. I hope you might be also enjoying on swing. जब आप लोग गार्डन जाते हो, अपने घर के आसपास के पार्क में जाते हो, डेफिनेटली आप झूले के लिए लड़ाई करते होंगे, लाइन में खड़े रहते होंगे. Yes, because we love to spare more and more time sitting on the swing. This poem is written by Mary L. Osborne. कवियत्री का नाम क्या है? Mary L. Osborne. Now she want to express her feelings जब वो छोटी थी और किस तरीके से वह स्विंग के ऊपर एंजॉय करती थी. So para wise I am going to explain you. Please look here. Now so high, now so low, up in the air, then down I go. जब हम झूले पे बैठते हैं, sometimes we go on the top, then we come back, right? Because we are forcing our body and with the full force we are pulling ourselves in the front. So when we pull us with the full force, we go in the front and later on पीछे आने के लिए हम बिल्कुल भी फोर्स नहीं लगा सकते हैं, हम यूं लगाते हैं. So when a person sits on the swing with the full force, when it takes in the front, तो वो पूरी ऊंचाई तक जाता है. जितनी भी फोर्स आप लगाते हो, slowly and gradually comes in the front and it goes at the back. Now so low, while coming back, it becomes little slow. Up in the air, then down I go. When you go with the full force in the front, you go like आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बिल्कुल आकाश में हूँ. वापस पीछे आते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है मैं पूरी तरीके से पीछे आ गए हूँ. Up to the sky, down to the grass, I watch birds fly, I see worms pass. Now जब मैं आकाश की तरफ होती हूँ, अगर मैं झूले पे बैठी हूँ और फुल फोर्स लगा के बहुत तेज़ी से आगे बढ़ती हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है आकाश में बहुत सारे बर्ड्स दे आर फ्लाइंग. एंड व्हेन आई कम बैक एंड सी टुवर्ड्स द ग्राउंड, I find there are tiny insects or the worms which keeps on passing here and there. With feet in front and hair behind, I raise the birds, I raise the wind. That means when you with the feet in the sense you pull yourself at the back and then the force goes in the front, and the hair behind. That means when you go in the front, the hair, if you keep your hair open, it keeps on flying with the help of the air. I raise the birds, I raise the wind. That means I feel very proud because when I am sitting on the swing, I feel like I am racing with the birds and the wind. That is not possible. But it's a feeling of this poet. Over the world, under the tree, nobody knows what things I see. दुनिया के बहुत बाहर जाके मैं अपने धुन में होती हूँ जब मैं स्विंग पे होती हूँ. What are these 4 lines try to explain? कि when I am sitting on the swing, I am in my own world and I feel that मैं पेड़ के नीचे चली गई हूँ या दुनिया से बहुत ऊपर चली गई हूँ, and nobody can judge what are my feelings when I am sitting on the swing. Wonderful lands where children play from early morn all through the day. That means बहुत ही खूबसूरत धरती दिखाई देती है, different lands or the ground which I am able to see it. Then where the children are playing, the poet is expressing that the children are playing on the beautiful ground what she can see, and from morning till throughout the day. Here morn means morning, सुबह के बारे में बताया है, and all through the day. That means पूरे दिन बच्चों को उस झूले पे बहुत मज़ा आता है और खेलने मज़ा आता है. So I just want to recite it in a proper way. Please listen carefully. Now so high, now so low, up in the air, then down I go. Up to the sky, down to the grass, I watch birds fly, see worms pass. With feet in front and hair behind, I raise the birds, I raise the wind. Over the world, under the tree, nobody knows what things I see. Wonderful lands where children play from early morn all through the day. This is a simple way which I have sing by my own. You can sing this poem by the way you like it, और जिस तरीके से आप उस अंदाज में गा सकते हो. Please do enjoy on swing like what the poet did, or enjoy the poem reciting it. Thank you. Take care.